off my pants! Ugh! You are going to wish that you didn't do that. Dang it!
Looks like fall came a little early this year. Wouldn't you say, Doc?
Au contraire, bird dude. I'd say that fall is right on schedule, and it is also right over the mayor's daughter.
You've captured Jenny again? Where is she?
Do you honestly think I'm going to tell you?
Where is she?
Oh, this one is sure to kill him. And when it does, there will be no one left in this town that will be able to stop me, Dr. Rancid Shadow, from taking over the...
Where's the bomb?
In the lake.
Where's Jenny?
At home. Took too long with your monologue, Doc.
I barely started it.
And once again, the notorious Dr. Rancid Shadow's plan has been squashed by local hero Bird Dude. Excuse me, Bird Dude. Now that you've once again saved the mayor's daughter and thwarted the fiendish Dr. Rancid Shadow, what are you going to do next?
Well, I think I'll take my girlfriend out to a nice diner.
Really? Well, shouldn't you give her a little bit of warning so she can prepare herself?
Nah, she doesn't need that much time to prepare herself. And she already looks fantastic. Besides, she loves surprises.
I sure do.
8 o'clock?
Let's say 7:30. And back to you.
Oh, hey, boss. I thought I heard you come in. So how'd the plan go today? Boss?
Just once. I want something to go right for me! Every freaking time I try and take over this town, there's the bird dude there to stop me.
My root beer.
What is this? Why do we even have a turkey here? Who hangs clothes in the middle of a thing like that? And no matter what I try and how I try it, I can never seem to stop it! This doesn't even cut!
My other root beer.
And every time I want some penis shaved ice, I forget my coupon here in the layer! Every single time!
Well, maybe you need to try something else.
Like what? Collect action figures?
No, I mean, try a new plan. Perhaps one that doesn't involve kidnapping the mayor's daughter?
No, I couldn't do that to Jenny. She just gave me an hour tomorrow morning between her manicure and her date with Jason to kidnap her. Perhaps you're right, my knowledgeable henchman. But who shall I kidnap?
Probably someone close to Bird Dude.
8 o'clock?
Let's say 7:30.
That's it! I know who to kidnap!
You mean Bird Dude's writer, reporter, supermodel girlfriend, Dana?
I actually think it's pronounced Donna.
No, I'm pretty sure it's Dana.
I have to disagree with you. I think it's Donna.
No, I think...
I do believe it's Dana.
Silence, Mr. President! It's not my fault no one paid your ransom. Whoopsies! Oh, I do enjoy being evil so much.
So, would you need any help kidnapping Dana?
While I appreciate the offer, Albert, I must decline. You are a fantastic henchman, but I'm also in charge of your parole. And you know what will happen if you get 100 feet away from the perimeter signal.
I'll explode, along with the lair.
Precisely. Do not worry, I shall be able to kidnap Donna by myself. But I'll tell you what, since you've been doing such a good job, I'll see if I can talk to someone, and possibly be able to take you to...
The Five Banners theme park!
the very one you're always talking about.
Oh, thank you so much, Rancy!
No, Albert. Thank you. And don't ever call me Rancy again.
Okay.
Wait, come on!
Dude, jeez. What do you know about Dana's kidnapping?
Honestly, Bird Dude, I don't know anything.
What do you mean you don't know anything?
I mean, there's no video surveillances, no witnesses, nothing.
I don't know.
Hang on, I'm getting a call. Hello? Really? Thank you. The mayor's daughter wasn't kidnapped today.
Really? Wasn't Dr. Rancid Shadow supposed to do that?
Dana!
Dana! Alright, I gotta go defeat Dr. Rancid Shadow.
I'll round up the officers. All available officers to the park.
Yes! Any second now, Bird Dude will arrive. And when he does, I will be ready for him.
You sure about that?
Huh? Ah! Oh! Dang it, my GameCube hand!
That's my god hand! Oh! 1 minute respite?
Oh yeah, sure. Ooh.
Alright. Time out. Oh!
Dang it! Whew. You've been practicing, Bird Dude, haven't you?
Oh, I'm glad you noticed. I've been trying to get back to the birdie gym every now and then.
Well, it's not like it's gonna matter. Once I kill you and Donna, then there will be no one who will stop me from taking over the town.
Okay. First of all, it's Dana, not Donna. Second, you're a doctor, right?
Yes, part-time.
Does this look swollen to you?
Oh, I think so.
Hey, Doc. Come on, get up. We still have a flight to finish. Come on, Doc. How are we going to do this tomorrow if you won't get up? Come on. Wait. Doc? Dr. Rancid Shadow? Come on, don't do this to me, man. We got something to finish here. Doc? What have I done?
Bird Dude, what happened?
It was an accident, I swear. I punched him, and then he fell, and he hit his head on a rock, and...
So you're saying the rock killed him?
Well...
Do you know what this means, Bird Dude? You saved the town! Woo!
Yeah. I guess I did.
Oh, you're all right.
I am. And so is everyone else now. This is glorious. There can only be good things from here on out.